Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's a report day from the USDA, and so at 11 o'clock we'll be a lot smarter than we are right now as far as what the numbers say and does price reflect these new numbers. I think the biggest thing, overnight beans are up, nearby corn is gaining on the December and wheat's down. Yesterday we saw some selling in the corn and bean market in anticipation of these numbers today. We did see China continue to buy U.S. beans. We also saw a wheat rally led by Minneapolis after Canada came out and said their D31 wheat stocks were lower than expected. When we look at the numbers today, I think the USDA probably will lower the South American soybean crops, but maybe not as much as the trade is trading. And they could lower the U.S. carryout due to higher demand. That should support the market. In the corn, I think some people think they may punt. In other words, they may not drop the corn crop in South America as much as the market is trading. They may not increase demand as much as the market is trading, and they may not lower the corn carryout as much as the market is trading, which could be maybe a little bit negative to corn as it nears, again, contract highs. The wheat market, again, two things. Number one, they could lower U.S. wheat export numbers and they could raise the carryout. But also the trade's going to watch and see if they have enough information to lower world supply, raise world demand, and lower world wheat stocks. That might be the only help that we could get right now on a higher trend. As far as weather is concerned, again, the American model is still trying to sow some rain next weekend across parts of Argentina and maybe even parts of Paraguay. The European model is dry. Last night, the European model had some rain in the forecast. Yesterday, the European model had some rain in the forecast. Last night, they took it out. So I think that the focus now is probably on the Argentina crop more than anything else, and that a dry pattern in Argentina could still lower their crops from not only USDA numbers today, but also below where some of the private estimates are. Some people think that a normal weather pattern over central and northern Brazil might help the second corn crop. Right now, too much rain in north and east Brazil is causing delays in the soybean harvest and reducing quality. Trade will also be watching to see what they do to China import numbers, especially corn, with the attaché taking 6 million tons off of his guess of corn imports, while some people feel that China may take less beans if they don't have the margins in the crush, but they do have the animal numbers, so that's still a big question mark as far as the market is concerned. Here in the U.S., the southern plains will remain dry. It's a good 30 days before we trade that, but if we start trading less South American weather and more U.S. weather, the dryness could be positive, especially to Kansas City wheat and maybe corn. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Please have a safe, profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.